The Vicar General of the Shillong Archdiocese, Father Richard Majaw, has announced that the ordination ceremony of Father Bernard Lalu as the auxiliary bishop will take place on the 30th of March 2025. The event will be held at the Calvary in the courtyard of the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians in Lalu, Shillong. Archbishop Victor will preside over the ordination, which will also be attended by the Apostolic Nuncio to India and Nepal, Most Reverend Archbishop Leopoldo Girelli, who represents Pope Francis in the region. The Church has extended an open invitation to all faithful to witness this significant occasion where Father Bernard Lalu will assume his role as auxiliary bishop, assisting Archbishop Victor in serving the Shillong Archdiocese.
And especially with the announcement of the new auxiliary bishop in the Archdiocese. The Archdiocese has a lot of responsibilities. We have got a number of congregations. We have got a number of religious houses. We have got a number of parishes, and above all, the number of Catholic population that we have in the Archdiocese. We need to have what we call a good pastoral care in the Archdiocese, and the coming of the auxiliary bishop will help us to a great extent to help the Archbishop here in the Archdiocese of Shillong. And we are indeed happy that the Holy Father has selected Father Bernard Lalu. Currently he is the parish priest of Cathedral Parish and also the Chancellor of the Archdiocese. He had been holding this double post for the last 3 years also, and he had been doing so well. And Reverend Bernard Lalu had a lot of experience. He was working as an assistant parish priest, he was working as a principal of the school, and before he became the parish priest of the Cathedral, he was the director of the Social Service Center of the Archdiocese of Shillong. He worked so hard for the social service, and as a parish priest as well as a chancellor, he had done very, very well. And indeed we are happy that it was announced on the 8th of this month as the new auxiliary bishop of the Archdiocese of Shillong. He will be ordained on the 30th of March 2025 here in the Cathedral premises. It will take place in a Calvary. He will be ordained by our Archbishop only, the Most Reverend Victor in the presence of the Nuncio Leopoldo Girelli. Will be present also in the Mass. Also on that day, he will be present with us here in the Archdiocese, and we will also be having bishops from Northeast India, and maybe a few bishops coming from other parts of India. We'll be having a lot of priests who will be coming from all over the Northeast, and priests, religious will be coming, and definitely it is going to be a very big event for us here in the Archdiocese of Shillong. And of course preparation is going on, and we request all the priests, all the faithful, all the religious to pray in a very special way for this intention. And definitely, as I've said, his presence here in the Archdiocese as an auxiliary bishop will be a great help for the pastoral care of the people, of the priests, of the religious here in the Archdiocese of Shillong. In the Archdiocese of Shillong, we normally have the Archbishop. He is the head of the Archdiocese. An auxiliary is someone who can assist the Archbishop. In fact, he will be having a very big role to play in the Archdiocese. He'll be always side by side with the Archbishop. So, in fact, a lot of things that the Archbishop is doing, and there are things also that the auxiliary bishop also will be he'll be taking care, whether in terms of administration, whether in terms of pastoral care, in terms of different pastoral care that it is required here in the diocese. So he'll be part of it, very much part of it. So that is what he's going to do. Of course, as you know that the Archdiocese as of now, it is we have got 2 districts of the state, that is East Cathedral, which is a very big district, and we have got also the district in Riboy, which is also very, very big and also a growing area of the Archdiocese. So therefore, the new bishop, the auxiliary bishop, will be helping in the whole Archdiocese, in terms of administrations, in terms of pastoral care, on all the other activities that's related to the church. He will be helping the Archbishop.